His Excellency the President escorted by speakers.
Kiumia kimwe thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kuhingura bunge ya kibururi na area ya Senate. Abunge a bunge cicere riu ni mathiete kikomano kia mwanya niguo gutaukirwo wega ni mawatho na mitaratara ya bunge mbere ya cikaro cia bunge gucokereria. Guku Nairobi kiungano kiu kihingurirwo ni speaker wa bunge ya kibururi Justin Muturi.
Nobody or authority has power to make provision having the force of law except Parliament. And for me, this is important, that we may make mistakes even as we legislate. But even as we do, as will often happen, no other body, person or authority has power to make provision having force of law in the country except Parliament. It therefore for me means that we have an onerous responsibility on our shoulders. And I think we need to carry that responsibility with dignity and honor.
Nikigomano giki kiria kirehete hamwe makiria ma abunge 180 na ria mathuritwo itena ria mbere guthie bunge-ini.
We have gathered here to formally commence the journey of discharging our duties and responsibilities as parliamentarians. And in this regard, allow me not only to congratulate honorable members for their recent election victory, but also congratulate the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker.
I expect and hope that the 12th Parliament will be different, that we will disagree, but we will disagree with decorum, that we will argue and argue our cases very well. I do know that this country at the moment is still at some crossroad. We have not resolved some issues regarding the executive. Hopefully, God will guide us through, such that in the near future, all shall be settled and we'll move forward as a country and develop our country. We don't have any other country. The only country we have is Kenya, and we cannot ban Kenya.
Maya makihanikaga na maseneta othe mari mukawa-ini wa Simba Lodge mwena wa Naivasha County ya Nakuru. Kuria nao mari na mwekeo ta uyu. Speaker wa Senate Ken Lusaka akiaria hindi ya kikomano giki augite na maracuranie kurora weru mawatho ma kuhagura magavana niguo gutigirira maseneta matina korogana na magavana ringi.
Governors are not accounting officers. Those who are accounting officers are chief officers and the CEC members. So you just come because you are the head of government at that particular level. So and that's why I'm saying that we must change our approach. We must be able to go to the field, look at what is going on, have a sober discussion, so that if it's a matter that needs to be answered. And let me tell you, I've been in government for a long time. Audit queries will always be there.
Kigomano giki otakia aruna wa bunge ya kibururi giguthie na mbere nginyagia gatano ga kiumia giki. Ngiribotera Kameme TV. Gitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.